Hello everyone! Today we are going to cook a very simple but super delicious seafood. Let's go and check it out. What's the kind of seafood that we are preparing to cook?
The seafood that we are going to cook today is Manila clams. This is my first time cooking this clam. The texture is quite unique, and the size of these clams basically are very much like the Asian hard clams that I'm used to cook. So I'm very excited to try these clams today and see how they compare to the rest of the clams that I have cooked and tasted before. We're going to clean these clams by giving them a quick brush. I'm using a toothbrush and under sort of like a slow running water, just clean on both sides. After you have cleaned and brushed the clams, it's better to sort of like rinse them again, just to make sure that the shells are clean. We will put these clams aside first while we prepare the rest of the basic ingredients, which is not many. I did not soak this clam into salt water because they are alive and I think they are very clean. But you can do it if you want to by just simply add some water and a little bit of salt. To cook these clams is very simple. You heat up a pan, then gently lower down the clams. Next, I will put in the dry chilies, followed by the ginger. Sprinkle the ginger all over the clams. After that, I prepare about 200 ml of cooking sake. Bring the heat down a little bit. And what we're going to do is just to use the lid to cover it, and then we let the steaming effect to cook the clams. Periodically give the pot or your pan a little bit of shake, and then keep watching till the clams are open. You can see that it's bubbling inside. Just give it a shake again. Okay, I believe the clams are almost cooked. Just be a little bit patient. Let's have a look. Wow, most of the clams are open. So the dish is almost done. If you are not sure, you can have a look or just put some of the clams up on top. The last step is just to sprinkle all the spring onion over it. Then we can off the heat and start to plate the dish. Let's try these Manila clams. Oh, the smell is really good. Pardon me that I use my hands. Okay. Wow. Fat and juicy. Wow. And it's very sweet.
You notice that I never add any salt when we are cooking, just basically cooking sake and dry chili, ginger and spring onions, because these are live clams and they extract natural salt out from itself. Very fat and juicy. This is delicious. I really love those Manila clams. They are fat and juicy. Something about handling live clams is that when you're cooking them, they will release their juices, which is usually kind of like quite salty. So be careful not to add any more salt when you are cooking them, especially for this recipe. So I hope I'll see you in the next video.